Welcome to JH. I tried Healthy Height Grow Daily and was actually impressed by how effortlessly it slots into a daily routine. The powder dissolves into milk or smoothies without turning into a chunky science experiment, and the flavor is surprisingly decent. Because we all know if a supplement doesn't taste like liquid gold, kids will treat it like it's radioactive waste. It's loaded with protein, vitamins, and minerals specifically designed for growth and development. I noticed it keeps energy levels steady and even helps with focus, which is a minor miracle considering most kids have the attention span of a caffeinated goldfish. The product feels like it was actually made with children in mind since it's nutritious without being heavy or difficult to drink. What I like most is that it's both effective and practical, which is a polite way of saying it saves you from the usual daily dinner table negotiations. Since it's backed by research and high-quality ingredients, it feels a lot more trustworthy than a random internet miracle cure. It's a smart, tasty way to support growth that won't end up being secretly poured into the houseplants. I definitely recommend it to any parent looking for a convenient supplement that their kids will actually swallow.